All right, our first talent is from the Engine account. We have Ronald Hipo and the Calorie Band.
Got everybody sit out. Yeah, and this man on the sea, I can give you what you want, but you gotta come home with me. I got some food on the road and I got some more soul. When I get to going on, you gotta come back for more. Something things to come by to nothing, but ain't only one question, no. Pretty little thing that we like, it could be cool. Some of my so hard to have it now. Please out with the words and I'm a man to experience. I know you got the road, but man, I gotta love you better than hell. Take my hand, don't be afraid, gonna prove every word I say. I'm not the type to love for free, dear, we're gonna have to be. Come along and I'll find it, I'm finished, but ain't over and just so low. Friend, little thing, let me lock the chemicals. I'm so out of heaven now, back around. Yeah! Oh, hi, oh, baby, here I am, man, on sea. I can give you what you want, but you gotta go hold me. I got some good old and I got some more soul. When I get to the glory, on you gotta come and run it back some more. But these things go by to nothing, that ain't nothing we got so low. When those ain't living like chemicals, I'm so hard to handle now. Yeah, oh, hard to handle now. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm so out of here now, but yeah, I'm out of here now. Oh, baby, good Lord, baby, hey, say good Lord, baby, say good Lord, baby, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much. That's our finalist, number one, Ronald Hipo from Engine. Do we have people from Engine here? Fabulous, okay. And let's hear the comments of our judges. Jopay, any comments?
I love it!
I thought it was the whole band that I'm going to judge, and I said, if I'm going to judge them by their cuteness. But then,
This is our poster boy.
okay, at first I was listening to the melody. Actually, sir, you made me fall in love with a song I've never heard in my entire life. Really. And I actually want to rock with you right there. You definitely have a powerful voice. You chose a song that will show your vocal prowess. So, hail to you.
Thank you, Jopay, and judges. All right, and okay, you may score them and write a score in your scoring sheets. Okay, and we would like to acknowledge the presence of the DPE of Engine, Himanshu. All right, please stand up, sir. All right, so thank you for coming here. Okay, so we have our. All right, we would like to announce that we have our photo booth out there, and okay, it's open. Everybody is welcome to have their pictures taken there. Okay. All right, and right now, okay, we would like to hear the comment of one more judge here. Okay, we would like to call on Joseph. Okay. Hello, sir.
I thought the one Vita highlighted. Anyway, Ronald did perform a great number, great choice of song, and just perhaps for you to capture our attention, next time you should have wear a more like star quality. Because like if you're the vocalist of the band, you should dress up properly. So kumbaga tibig pa lang talagang artistahin na. That's all.
Thank you, that's Sir Joseph, and thank you so much for your comment. Oh.